What's up, guys? So today we do not have a fishing video, sadly, but we are doing an unboxing video of baits. Just like there. I got a little too excited and I opened these ahead. So let me show you what's inside of these in a second. Okay, guys, so here's what's in the box. First box, 3-inch paddle tails. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little baits in here, but I don't know, probably like 50 baits in here. 50 individuals. Oh. Fix that real quick. Man, they do not know how to pack these. Okay, so that's what's in there, as you can see. Alright, that's box 1. We got 2 boxes of these. I don't know how much is in here, but 40, it looks like. No. Yeah, I think this is 40. Yeah, 40 piece right there. 4 inches. Flukes. Okay. Yeah, let me show you what's in here. I'll take one out for you. My best bait, my best bet for flounder, I would say either this one of these 3. I would say, because this has a very nice blue color, and we're in brackish water. So yeah, so that's what's in that. Oh yes, the Googan baits. I like Googan baits. This is the Lunker Log 5-inch 8-pack pearl white. As you can see, Googan Squad. Yep. That's what's in there. Some Smalley Beavers 3.5 penetrations. Rage Innovations. How much is in a pack? Doesn't say here. Some Gary Yamamoto's. Green Pumpkin Watermelon. I got 2 of those. And then we got some 4-inch swim bait paddle tails, whatever you call them, paddle tail swim baits. 4 inches. I don't know how much is in here. Let's look. 20. So there's that. And then got some Rage Swimmers. 4 inches, I think. 3.25 inch. Yeah. Yep. So that's about it. And yep. That's about it. And then oops. And then I have a Caius 150 Shimano bait casting reel. Here's an unpackaging of it. The Caius 150 got like the manual, and then like some instructions if you want to take it apart. And you have the main reel. Look at this thing. This thing is nice. So that's the reel. 6.31 gear ratio. Black and gold. So yeah, if you want to get to take that off, I'm not going to do that right now. But and then there's some oil in here. Oil that they gave you. And some little red parts. I don't know what for, but they're probably in here. So let me put this all back.
I'll lay out all the baits so you guys can see.
And then I'll lay out all these. I'll close that later. I'll lay out all the baits for you guys. I really don't like it when you're whispering when you're...
Turn.
Okay, guys, so now that we got them all laid out, as you guys can see, yeah, these I think we're going to use the most out of the 4 of us. These, we have a little pond where we can do some bass fishing at, so we'll probably use those. And these, we'll probably catch like smaller flounder. But I don't know what we're gonna do with these. We'll probably make a challenge, like bass fishing lures in saltwater, something like that. So be prepared for that one. That'll be fun. So yeah. So please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.